Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unboxing My Power Tools. Again, I'm so excited to show you another must item to have in my tools collection. It's the circular saw. Actually, I've wanted this for the longest time too, and finally I just ordered and it arrived recently, and here I am giving you a video of it. So if you're interested, please join me and stay tuned. Okay, we'll start unboxing now. Take off the plastic cover and inside we have two carbon brushes. That's very handy because you can repair it whenever it's already worn out. And also inside will be the user's manual and also a warranty certificate. Also included would be the guide fence. I used to call it guide rods, but I found out that it was supposed to be called guide fence. And also the wrench for the blade bolt clamp. We have the circular saw blade, 7 1/4 inch in diameter and 24 teeth, which means there are 24 teeth in that blade. The overall handling of the machine is very nice. It's kind of heavy, and even the blade guard is made of metal and not plastic, and that's a plus factor for me. The adjustment knobs are also located in strategic areas that are very easy to manage. We have three actually. The one for the depth of the blade, for the bevel adjustment, and also to tighten the guide fence. The solid body is perfect for the powerful motor that it has. Perfect for cutting thick solid wood. The machine is actually very ergonomically friendly because when you hold it, it's very comfortable to manage, so it's easier for you to control every time you're cutting. And that, folks, is your unboxing of the 1500 watts Lotus circular saw. There you have it, folks, the Lotus 1500 circular saw. Join me in my next video as I put the machine to test. Actually, I'm very excited to see myself how it performs. So if you're interested, watch out for it. And till then, stay safe and God bless. I'm Pete La Peña. I'll see you next time.